our compatriots in Benue State, especially those families that have lost the lives of their wards, their children, their benefactors. And like I said, the Senate, together with the executive, they are the ones that made sure that by Wednesday, which is tomorrow, we will be on ground with the retinue of senators to commiserate with our people in Benue State. And at the same time, more importantly, our intention, because just of recent, we called for a security dialogue in Nigeria and one of the critical stakeholders, because we think we had had enough of these incessant killings and losses of lives. So these are part of reasons why the Senate is desirous in making sure that there's going to be a security summit whereby critical stakeholders, not only the military or security agents, will be participating, including the media and the CSOs and individuals in Nigeria and the youth and women. That's part of the reason why we have done that one, even not envisaging what happened just about 2 days ago in Benue State. Because we know on and on for some time, for years back, we have been experiencing this, and then there had not been a stoppage to it. And lastly, the Senate, together with the House of Representatives, we had made sure that we have done enough appropriation that can aid the performance of our security agents in making sure that the fight, the war against banditry, terrorists, kidnappers, and even Boko Haramists. And nobody can say that the engagements that we have had with the security agencies so far, which are doing about 11, had not yielded results. But the sporadic outbursts of these disasters, especially which is now somehow very pertinent to an area in Nigeria, Plateau, Benue. We know that with the new efforts that we are making, especially, and we want to say thank you, want to appreciate Mr. President that will be going together to Benue, that will be going to Benue State tomorrow to meet with critical stakeholders, at the same time commiserate with our people there.